So are you an entrepreneur or business owner? If you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, or you hope to start a business, this video will be essential when you're running the business. So most businesses in the current situation are having challenges. It is not your fault. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, Sri Lanka as well as globally, many businesses are affected. So I have lined up 7 problems that businesses are facing currently. When we're looking at these 7 problems, we are also giving you solutions. First, let's look at these 7 critical problems a business might face or is currently facing. Problem number 1 is your business having a financial problem. A lot of entrepreneurs would not like to admit with this, but we need to first look at whether the business is having a financial problem. If we don't identify the problem, we are heading for disaster. So better first identify the problem. If you need help, we are there to help you. Number 2 is your cost high in your current business? Third one, is your income continuously dropping? Fourth one, is your company heavily on debt? Fifth one, is your staff demotivated? Sixth one, do you actually need a bank loan? Without a bank loan, can we continue? Or do you need support in applying to a bank loan? The 7th one is the most essential one that every entrepreneur is talking about at this crisis situation, which is how to downsize the company. So sometimes you might not want to downsize the company, but if you need support, we could advise you and support you. In a crisis situation, unpopular decisions will have to be made. What does this mean? So when a crisis happens, like some of the companies you saw in the garment sector, salary cuts were there, and some organizations, leading businesses in Sri Lanka had salary cuts. Globally, we are seeing unemployment increasing. So these are some unpopular decisions. Why do we have to do that? Is if you're looking from the company point of view, we need to safeguard the company. But also we must say some companies has made billions and millions of profit in the past. They should have some reserves to support at this moment. But some businesses, the SME sector especially, who has not kept much more reserves and who will definitely go down, needs to think, relook at the strategies and make strategic decisions. So we are ready to give you answers for these problems. Comment below and mention which problem that you are currently facing, or if you need help to identify which problem you are facing, we are ready to help you. So stay tuned for more valuable videos. You can subscribe and be a part of our journey.